Victor.
Charlene, welcome to Covo Square.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yes.
Could you kindly just take us through what's happening at Covo right now?
Okay, right now you're on the residential side. And the last time we were here, we are doing the casting of the 4th floor slab.
All right.
Right now it's complete.
That's where we're standing.
Yeah, this is where you're standing right now. And we are doing the formwork for the columns, proceeding to the 5th floor.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And currently also doing walling. So walling and casting again on the same time.
All right. So this is the pool section. Could you just take us through what's happening now?
So in the pool section, what you're doing the steel fixing.
All right.
So that you can do the steel works, then the formwork again, so that you can cast.
Nice.
You start casting the slab, then you can cast the walls.
So Victor, we're currently at the commercial section of Covo. Could you currently just tell us what's happening or what's happened, what to expect? Yeah, take us through that.
So right now we're doing our finishes. The major works are the electrical, the plumbing works. So on the electrical side, we're waiting for the exhibit, the generator, the transformer, which in the next 1 week, will be at the site.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the plumbing works currently 90% done. We're also doing the manuals and the tiling. That's the major works on the commercial side.
Yes.
But they're ready for handover.
Oh yeah, they're ready for handover. I can see it's been painted on all levels actually, so we're good to go. All right, that's good. Thank you. Thank you so much for having us, Victor. Nice seeing you.